welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel. I am very thankful to you, all of my viewers who watch and like my videos on this channel and subscribe my channel. This episode number 11, we will learn about APA referencing and citation style and citation management. Now let's move to the tutorial.
This video we learned about what is APA citation style, how researcher and scholar can cite APA format, in-text citation and double quotation citation. And last we learned how to cite research article in APA format. What is APA citation style? APA format is the official style of American Psychological Association APA and is commonly used to cite resources in psychology, education and the social sciences. APA style originated in 1929, an article published in a Psychological Bulletin and laid out to the basic guidelines. These guidelines were eventually expanded into APA publication format. Currently, its 7th edition has come into the market. An in-text citation means a researcher cites the work of any author or source in his or her own words. That means you are rephrasing the original words or text. In in-text citation, there are three possibilities. Either you cite in the beginning of the sentence or middle of the sentence or end of the sentence. When in-text citation used in the beginning, you just write the author's last name and the year of the publication of the cited document. See the example, Richardson 2017 study about the medical education and learning with the artificial intelligence tool. Here we write the Richardson last name and the year of publication in the bracket. When in-text citation used in the middle of the sentence, we use the author last name and the publication year in the bracket, and author last name is separate with the comma. See the example. And the same rule is applied when the use the citation at the last of the sentence. See the sentence, the study about the medical education and learning with the artificial intelligence tool described by the Richardson 2017, and we have the same formula, author last name and the year of publication separated by the comma. In double quotation citation, researcher and author take the original words of the source and start with the double quotation and end with the double quotation. At the end of the double quotation, author cite with the author last name as well as year of publication and the page number for the authenticity of the source where the information has taken. See the example of that slide. This study about the medical education and learning, artificial intelligence tool, machine learning will be the part of the future education. Start with the Richardson, year of publication 2017 and page number 23, close with the bracket. In this video tutorial part, we learned how to cite in-text citation and double quotation citation. Second part of this episode number 12, we will learn how to cite the referencing of these articles in the reference segment. Till then, bye bye, but don't forget to subscribe, like and comment our channel 5 Minute Information. Thank you very much.